You all are good. So today I will show you some websites where you can earn money by solving math. Suppose you are good in mathematics and you have no source of income, or you want to create a new source of income, then this is a very good website for you. This is a one type of part-time job. When you get free time, you can earn money by solving mathematics. So these are four websites: that's Check Batleby, Doubtnut, Course Hero, and Check India. So among them, I personally love Check India, and I also work on this website from 2.5 years. So Batleby, Doubtnut, Course Hero, almost same, and Doubtnut do not pay than the Check. Check is the highest paying website that I know till now, and it is a very popular. Okay, so Check India. So how you have to solve mathematics? I will show you the home page, live page, and my history that I solved in past. I show one by one and how to solve questions. Mm, I will show you tools how can use to type questions. What are the things to solve need? Okay, so first simply go on Google, search Check India, or Check Expert Login. As I am expert, then I simply click on the Check Expert Login. And if you are new, then you have to sign up first. There is a many sign up page. You have to go through the sign up page and you have to register first. So Check Expert Login, I click on that link, then we'll go to the direct home page of Check India. Okay, this is my page where I solve mathematics. This page it look like this. Okay, so home page you will get start answering. If we click on that button, then we will go to the second page, question Q&A. Okay, where we will get question and we can decide to solve or not. And there is a stat, my stat today, how many question I have solved? Nothing. How many question I have skipped? 11. CF score means they will rate your question after verifying. So in this week I have solved only 2 questions. Okay, when I get free time, then I solve. This is 3rd of May, and from 2nd of May start counting these stats. Okay, so start answering. I click on that, then we go to the page. This that is, there is a slow network. So this is the time, how much time to decide the question whether you are solved or not. Okay, home page and my answer. Okay, so let me refresh the page. This question already load, so I have to reload this page. Here the question, that is time left. You will get only 10 minutes to decide you will solve or not. Okay, suppose, okay, you have you there is a question you will get, and suppose you have no idea of that question. Suppose you have no idea of this question, then you can skip the question. Okay, skip the question. There is a that it does not belong to this subject. It need suppose this question is not belongs to your subject, then you can click on it, then choose the correct subject. Suppose it is a question of advanced math, then you can skip under this counting, then that's okay. Suppose you need more information, suppose your question is not complete, then you can skip this question that I need more information. And suppose your question is not the proper question, and like any spam, any threat, adult offensive, include is this types of question you have to skip under this section. And suppose you have no knowledge about the subject, then you can skip the question under this topic. Okay. Okay. And you can skip questions as many as you can. Okay. Now you are decided to solve this question. Okay. Then you have to simply click on here. The time left is 9 minutes 45 seconds. This is the time to decide to solve or not. Suppose you want to solve this question, then click on start answering. Then you will get 2 hours. Okay, not 10 minutes. You will get 2 hours to solve this question. After 2 hours, this question is automatically skipped. Okay, and if you solve this question under in 2 hours, then your question will be counted. Now next, suppose you want to solve this question, and you can easily see that this is the question of trigonometry. So you have to subject. Okay, you have to choose subject. Suppose this is the question of trigonometry, so you have to tag your question on by click on trigonometry. And topic, so topic, this question from which topics you have to check. Suppose this is question of trigonometric function, then simply click on trigonometric function and then click on the next button. Then you have to write your question here. There is a step 1, and if you want to more step, then there is a you will get option. So suppose you want to type cos theta, then simply if you simply click cos theta, okay, then you will get cos theta, not the symbol will not be shown. So if you want to symbol, then simply click on that, then write cos theta, COS THETA, then you will theta, sorry, THE, cos theta, cos theta, THETA, sorry, cos theta. Okay. So if you write on these tools, by using these tools, then you will get cos theta. But if you simply type cos theta, then you will not get cos theta. Okay, here is many tools you can use. You can draw if need any graph. You can use calculator types. Here is a symbol where a AI based calculator which helps you to solve question easily. Okay, now I will show you that question I have solved in previous. So here my answers. I go to this section. Okay, the question that I solved. Suppose I have solved this question, first question on second way, that is this question. Okay, so this question, suppose we have to solve by Cramer's rule. Here this question, use Cramer's rule to find the solution of the following system of linear equation. Okay, then we know the Cramer's rule. If you have idea, then you can solve this question. So first we have to determine the d, and then dx and dy. So I solve this question on the step 1. I write this, represent the system of equation, the matrix for this, and coefficient matrix is this. So d equals to key determinant of that matrix, and that is 89. And in this way, and dx, this is the simply way you know that it is your choice how you will solve this question. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay. Okay, so you have to write final answer. Okay, so then you have to submit. So QA expert, suppose you want to this question and you want to add more, then you have to write something more. Okay, then you will get another, add another step. Okay, then you have to write more on step 2, and then next you have to write final answer. You have to write final answer. Okay, final answer. After writing final answer, you can see your whole answer by simply click on this preview your answer. Okay, so in step 1 we have shown that this and this. Okay, then after checking everything you have to click on confirm. As I have not complete this question, then I do not click on confirm. Okay, so in this way you can solve your question. This is a very easy way. Okay, if you do your own hand, then you can easily check that this is too easy. Okay, so in next step I will show the payment. So for payment you have to search EHPD dot checkindia.com. Okay, so if I click on that link, then I'll come to this page EPHD, where I have the all details of my previous payments, registration details, work certificate, everything. So payment certificate, here is my payment certificate. Okay, so select year, in which year I can see my earning. Suppose this is 2023 and that's in last year, that was March. So view, so here's the on March 2023, my subject is other math. Okay, number of solution that I have submitted, that's it, 18, and QC ratio that will be given by them. Per question you will get paid 168 rupees, and gross earning, so 168 into 18, that will be 3024 rupees. Gross bonus, when I was solving these questions, that time there was a 20% bonus, so 20% of that money, that is 604 rupees, and gross income is this plus this, that is this, and government will take charge 10% for that, so 10% of that is 363 rupees. Okay, and that money will be given to you by filling ITR file if your income below 7 lakhs. Okay, so net earning, that money will be added your own bank account, and that money you will be get after filling ITR file. Okay, so how to apply? So simply search on check India. Okay, so this is your first time, so click on Q&A expert sign up. Okay, then sorry, my net is too slow. So click, here is the page, here is a form, interested form. Okay, then add your mail and accept the receiving mails. Okay, then submit in your interest. Then you will get a mail on your Gmail. If you check them, and you have to accept their terms and condition. After reading their terms and condition, and then after then you have to again come back to this page. Okay, then you have to fill your details. After that you have to give a exam on kind of test. There is a 2 test. one is subject test and another is guideline test. You have to go through both of them. After that you will get higher. Yeah. Okay, and then your earning will be start after solving mathematics. So for this time, thank you. And if you want to the total procedure, then comment on comment section. I will show you how to apply from start to end. Okay, comment on comment section. Thank you for this time.